So for the ready, you're basically just plugging the numbers in. So all of the numbers on the left that are under the X column, you're going to plug those in for X and then figure out what comes out. So for the first one, we plug -2 in here for X. 3 times -2 would be -6. And then if we take 2 away from that, that would be -8. Then over here, they want you to just write X and f of X, which is what you just got, as an ordered pair. So you'd write -2, comma, -8, and just put it right there. And you do all the rest of them the same. Plug the numbers in the left in for X. When you get to the set, you're justifying shapes. Okay, so we know some things about a rectangle. We know that the opposite sides have to be parallel. So here, I would say, it looks like it. Okay, sure. Let's say yes, it's a rectangle. And then when it says to justify now, we need to basically figure out, is this side parallel to this side? So to do that, we have to find the slope. Slopes of parallel lines should be the same, so this one is up 4/5. If I do the same thing down here, it should be up 4/5, which it is. So those two are parallel. Alright, then you'd have to just do the same thing with the other two sides. Show they're parallel, and then you justified it. Okay, when you get to the rhombus now, all sides of a rhombus should be the same. So here, you're going to use distance to show that this side, and this side, and this side, and this side all have the same length. So, like for the the first ones I drew, to find the distance like of this one here, it would just be 4 squared plus 5 squared equals x squared. And it would actually be the same for this one down here. So you just draw those imaginary right triangles and then do the distance formula. When you get to the square, you'll have to show all the sides are the same, which you've already done in B. But you also have to show that these are 90-degree angles. So you would have to show that this slope and this slope are opposite reciprocals. But at this point, you've already done that up there. So really, when you get to the square, this is really all stuff you've already done. You can just look up at A and B. I already did the work. So that's the set. And then when you get to the go, you're just finding the perimeters of all those shapes.